Hello and welcome. Chris here with a demo of Search GPT, which is a new software tool, and it's a cloud-based app that connects three of the world's most powerful technologies together. ChatGPT with Google Search and the entire internet. And so basically what it does is it gives ChatGPT access to Google and the web, because while ChatGPT is great, its training data cuts off in 2021. And that means if you ask it a question like, how much did Elon Musk pay for Twitter, then it has absolutely no idea. And that's, it's a pretty basic example, pretty trivial, because actually this limitation is huge for us marketers, because marketers like us, we love new stuff. We make money from promoting new affiliate programs, we get paid from selling new offers, and we make the most money fundamentally when we tie our marketing, our content, our websites into new trends, new niches, new products, new news stories, new websites, etc. So here we are with the world's most powerful AI, but no way to actually get it to talk about the very things that will make us the most money. So what's the solution? Well, presenting Search GPT. And Search GPT is a new cloud-based software, you can run it right from your browser, that gives ChatGPT access to both Google Search and to the entire World Wide Web. Now, it's a very simple tool to use with the search prompt area and the history menu, both kind of modeled off the core ChatGPT that we all know and love. And so the way it works is you can enter your usual prompts. And of course, we are going to include all of our classic prompts for us marketers and for people who want to make money, because, our prompt game is pretty ridiculous. So yes, we are including all of these template prompts. By the way, they're all built into Search GPT. But let's say that I want to promote this new affiliate program, okay? Well, here's the crazy part. We can choose our template, but we can also enter keywords and even website URLs that we want ChatGPT to visit. And then when we hit the button, what ChatGPT itself will do is it will visit these sites, check out all of the content, build up a kind of little temporary database of around 2,500 words that it thinks are relevant, taken from, the 10, 20, 50,000 words of content or whatever it finds on all these sites that we enter along with the organic Google results. And then it wraps it all back up into one single kind of super prompt, which is our original template prompt that we gave it, and the additional most relevant content that ChatGPT itself pulled from its browsing and searching. And then it answers our query perfectly. And that's literally all we need to do.